Hi, I'm Chase Clinton. I'm a ServiceNow Architect with GlideFast Consulting. Today I'm going to demonstrate the asset repair flow from ServiceNow's Hardware Asset Management. The asset repair flow allows technicians to initiate and track the repair of hardware assets. We can access the asset repair flow via the Hardware Asset Workspace. You can also submit an asset repair via the Employee Center. Let's go ahead and start off by going to the Inventory tab on the left menu, and then going over to the Repair Orders tab on the far right. Here, we can go ahead and start a new repair. On the repair order screen, we have to select the stockroom that is housing the defective assets. I'll go ahead and assign this to a tech group. Now that we've created an asset repair, let's go to the repair order lines and add assets for repair. Note that the assets shown are the only assets that are in this stockroom that have a substate of defective or pending repair. Now that I've added an asset, we can begin the repair flow by starting with the first stage, which is troubleshooting. Opening this flow, we can see that a repair asset task has been created. And within this task, we set the troubleshooting result. Is the device repairable or redeployable or actually unrepairable? We had work notes to indicate what our findings were. Closing the task here will advance the asset repair flow to the next stage. The next stage, repair asset, is where the actual repair takes place. And again, if the device is unrepairable, we mark it as such and dispose of it. Closing that task, we can now advance to the final stage, which is evaluate. During the evaluate asset stage, the technician does a control check to ensure that the device is functioning properly and is ready to be redeployed. We'll set our evaluation result here to redeployable, which will mark the asset back into stock, ready to be used. Having completed the evaluate asset stage, our asset repair is now complete. We can check the details tab to go back to the asset and see that ServiceNow has already automatically updated the asset state back to in stock and available. On the activity stream, we can see that the asset states changed as we completed our repair. Thanks for watching.